We arrive at La Masardona, a fried pizza shop that's been around for 60 years. We meet up with Chris, the next generation to run this 60-year-old institution. So we walk in, and Chris starts making this pizza.
Here we make only fried pizza.
He starts stretching out the dough, and then he adds ricotta, a little bit of ciccoli. Ciccoli is pork belly. This guy likes his pork belly. Then he adds some smoked provola, and he fries it up. So these guys are saying, David, there's technique to eating these fried pizzas. It's not just about putting it in your mouth. You have to rip it off so the steam comes out and you don't burn yourself. And then you kind of squeeze all the ingredients up.
What do you think about you think?
Chris makes us another pizza fritta. I decide to have the classic. It's escarole or scarola with raisins and pine nuts, sauteed in olive oil with a little bit of chili pepper. He puts the scarola on the dough, adds a couple of olives, some provola, and then closes it up. And he's pounding it down. You want the dough to be nice and tight. You don't want any air to get in there because when it fries, it starts puffing up. It gets beautifully golden. He takes it out, wraps it up, and he goes, here is your real Neapolitan breakfast. Ready for breakfast?
Good.
We take it out, and Chris joins us with marsala. It's like a sweet port wine. Okay, so not coffee, but marsala. Am I doing okay?
Yes. This is a ticket for the paradise.
Pizza fritta with that escarole or scarola and some marsala. I mean, this is paradise.